Hi everyone, welcome to Nancy Chinese class. Today we talk about the HSK1 lesson 3. Okay, this is just a picture and check about these phrases. We just choose 去, 对 and force 错. Okay, the first picture we see about this one. This one just the phrases is 学生, 学生, that means a student. This picture we just see about we have a black board, 黑板, and also have a book, 书. And we just think this people, this girl is a teacher, 老师. Okay, right here we just see this one. Blackboard we say 黑板. And also we have 书. So we think this girl is 老师. So this phrase is 学生 student is force. We say 错. We say 错. Okay, this one. Okay, the next one we check about this picture. This picture have two foreigners they drink coffee, but this phrase is 中国人. 中国人 that means Chinese. Okay, but these two people they are foreigner. Foreigner we always say 他们是外国人. Okay, 外国人. Okay, this one. 外国人 foreigners. Okay, so this we choose the first 错. Okay, the next one. This one is 你好. Yes, just say hello. Yes, I think. Because two people, they shake hands, 握手, and they just say hello, hello. Yes, no problem. So this one is 去, 对, 对. Okay, this one, this boy just wave hands. Okay, that means wave hands, we always say 再见. That means goodbye. 再见. Okay, this one no problem. It's true. Okay, the last one we just see about picture. A lot of students. So students we always say 学生. Okay, we say 学生. So 老师 is the teacher. So this one is a force. 错. Okay, that's about today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe my Chinese channel. I will share today's link below. Please check about it. You can practice it by yourself. Okay, see you soon. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome to Nancy Chinese class. Today we talk about HSK1 lesson 3. Okay, let's read this about this choice. Okay, this choice we need to know different Chinese characters, what about their meaning? Okay, we say, okay, 23. 23, 我什么是中国人？我是美国人。Okay, we notice this sentence. This sentence, 中国人，美国人. They all talk about nationality, right? So this one also they say 是 and 是, but the nationality we always have only one. So this one we just use the 不是 and the 是. That means the first we say 不是 isn't, and then we just explain why you say isn't. So explain the correct answer. So we use this one. So this one we can choose 不. But it's 不. Okay, it's 不 the pronunciation. But 是 is the first down. So when we read about this sentence, we just read this is 不是. Okay, why? Because 不 have two different pronunciation. Always pronunciation is 不, but 不 sometimes change the pronunciation. For example, 不是. 是 is the first time. And the bu is also first tone. When two different first tone together, it's difficult to pronounce it. So this time we just change about this second tone. So when we read this, we cannot say 不是, no, just say 不是. Okay, when we read this, just like 我不是中国人，我是美国人。That means I'm not Chinese, I'm American. Okay, and 24. 24, we notice this is a question. Okay, question, we always use the ma at the end of the sentence. Okay, that the ma always used in questions. So this sentence is 您是老师吗? And 您 is a respectful way to say you. Okay, and 25. 25 教. Okay, we have these phrases, just like 叫什么? 叫, that means to be called. And 叫什么 ask what's the name, always, yes. So 他叫什么? Okay, when we remember, we need to remember of these phrases because it's easy to make a sentence, not just 叫 this word. 叫什么 always ask about a name, okay? So this one, we can choose the 什么. Okay, the last one. Last one, we just noticed they just introduced nationality, 中国人, Chinese, and always just introduce about the job, just the teacher, 老师. So this sentence, we can use the 是 and 是. Because just the same people introduce different things. So this time we can use the 是 and the 是. This one not like the 23 because 23 they talk about the same people, about the same things, just the nationality. So we use the 不是 and the 是. But the 26 the same people, but they talk about different things. So we can introduce 李月, just the 李月是中国人。他是老师. Okay, we notice about this 他. Okay, because in Chinese we have 3 他. First, this 他, that means man. That means male, man. We notice this left. Okay, 单人旁的他. We always have 女字旁的她. Okay, this means female, female. That we say she and her. We always use this 她. Okay, and also have the third 她, this 她. This 她, that means it. Okay, we can use the animals, things, or plant. Okay, that's about today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe my Chinese channel. I will share about this link to you. You always can practice by yourself. Okay, see you soon. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome to Nancy's Chinese class. And today we talk about HSK1-Lesson 3. Okay, we just continue. And 27, we just notice say 大卫 David 不是老师. Okay, this one just use the 不是 first. That means isn't. And 他是. Okay, this 他 use the male 他. Okay. And 他是. Okay, this grammar, that means 不是是. And say 不是 first, and the next short sentence just explain why. And the first sentence say isn't, right? So 不是老师. Okay, 老师 and 他是. Okay, this time we just check about the answer. Okay, and we, because we have 老师学生. Okay, just talk about the job, right? And this time 不是老师, so we say 他是学生. Okay, 28. 28, we just noticed this is 谢谢您. Okay, 您 is respect way, right? Respect way, so we just check have 中国学生老师美国. So if we use the respect way, always old people or teacher or doctor, we sometimes use the respect way, right? At this time, we can choose the 老师谢谢您, right? Okay, 29. 29 also use the grammar just the 不是 and the 是 because this one just the 中国人 talk about the nationality, right? And next one just the also just talk about the same things, just the nationality. So this one we have 中国 and 美国 because the first short sentence just say 不是 isn't. So just explain why to say isn't. So we change the different. 我是美国人. Okay, this sentence is 我不是中国人，我是美国人。Okay, the last one. Last one just say 你们好，你们是学生吗？ Okay, and this one use the 是什么什么吗 to ask about the question, right? And this one, we just the last is 中国, but this completely just ask 你们是中国的学生吗？ That means ask, are you Chinese student? But 中国的学生 this time 中国 just adjective to describe the explain about the student, right? But we always we always use the simple ways and the short one we can say 中国学生, just like this, okay? Just sometimes also just like 我的家 my family. But sometimes short one we can say 我家 just like this. Okay, that's about this lesson. Okay, I will share this game link to you just below. You can check about this link. You can practice it by yourself. Okay, see you soon. Bye.